What if I told you that in 2025, you could start making money online using ChatGPT, without any coding skills, without expensive software, and without years of experience? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real, actionable ways to start earning money with ChatGPT, step by step. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. The first method is creating content for others. Many businesses need blog posts, Instagram captions, and product descriptions, and they pay for it. There are a whole bunch of categories of tasks on Fiverr, any of which you can choose from and start earning. Here's an example. On Fiverr, people charge $50 for a 1,000-word blog post. Here you can see the tasks and the prices they pay. Using ChatGPT, you can create it in under 10 minutes. Just make sure to edit and personalize it. Prompt: write a 1,000-word blog post about the benefits of remote work in a friendly tone. After a few seconds, ChatGPT easily generated it for us, and we can use it with small changes. And making money. The second method is script writing. YouTube channels, TikTok creators, and podcasters always need scripts. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write a 5-minute script on top 5 AI tools for 2025. Then, you sell these scripts on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Prompt: write a 5-minute YouTube script about the top 5 AI tools in 2025, with an engaging intro and outro. Your script is ready, and now you can sell it. The third method is creating mini courses. ChatGPT can help you outline, write lessons, and even create quizzes. For example, you could create a 30-minute Excel tips with AI course and sell it on Gumroad or Udemy. Prompt: create a course outline for Excel tips with AI, including 5 lessons and a short quiz. The fourth method is email marketing. Many companies need well-written emails to promote their products. Prompt: write 5 promotional emails for a new fitness app with catchy subject lines and strong CTAs. You can use ChatGPT to generate a full campaign, then send it using tools like MailChimp. The fifth method is using ChatGPT for creative projects, like writing short stories, game ideas, or quiz questions. These can be sold on content marketplaces or used to grow your own audience. Prompt: write a short sci-fi story set in 2090 where AI controls the weather. Here are some tips. Always edit and fact-check the output. Write clear prompts, start small, then scale your services. Don't rely on one income source. Now you know 5 real ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2025. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and I'll reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.